Some slime, so the ingredients that we'll be needing are container, of course, and also we'll be needing some ELORA'S glue and 47 pesos po at ang mahal, diba? At we'll be needing a yellow power gel as an activator. So let's get started. And mamaya po pala ay gagawa pa ako ng crunchy slime, so make sure to watch that later. So yeah, let's get started. First, let's open our container. Oops, I forgot to show you the kailangan din natin ng sapik to mix with, and I'm using this spoon. And yeah, let's pour all the glue. I mean, not all. Oh my god. Okay, iyan na lang natin, buksan. Oh god. Okay.
Lagyan mo na lang L ng music.
Oops! I think I put a lot. That's enough. Now, let's not, I'm not gonna mix it yet because there's no sense to mix it. So, we're gonna put our activator now. Okay. Just a little bit by little by little. Wow. Okay. Okay. It's forming to slime, guys. Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, oh my god. It's not forming yet. It's not super forming. Oh yeah, it's now forming now. Woohoo! Ito na po yung glue at Ariel. Magiging slime na mamaya. Just wait, okay? Wait till I die. Joke lang. Joke lang po. So, ano ko na lang sa spoon. Wait lang. Wag na nga. Party-arty pa. Let's mix it and mix it. And now it's liquid again. Liquidy. Oh my god. Let's put a lot. Para mag-slime naman. Para mag-form naman siya. Tapos, nag-overactivate. Ay. Oh my god. It's not sticky but magiging matigas siya. Pero mag-a-add naman ako ng pa. Glue. At marami pa namang glue sa gilid. Okay, hindi na ako mag-a-add pa ng glue. Nabali! Oh my god. Dahil sobra kong kadalda, nabali tuloy. O diba guys? Oh my god. Oh, nene. Diyan ka pala. Wait lang na nag-video ako. So, yan. Nabalik ko. Opo, mamaya. Wait lang. So, guys, please don't mind the background noises kasi dyan yung aking pinsan and she also loves slimes and she also have a channel, Zermaine and ELORA'S channel. Please subscribe that and wala pang kaming nagawang video eh. Kaya, at 1 subscriber pa lang. At ako yung nag-subscribe mismo. So guys, pag umabot po tayo ng 50 subscribers, magpapa-shoutout po ako. O kaya 100 subscribers. Yay! Ang dal-dal ko. Okay. Dal-dal ko tapos di pa ready yung slime. So guys, mamaya, nasabi ko na pala yun. Basta mamaya gagawa ako ng crunchy slime. Kaya, must watch. Stay tuned mga guys. Okay? So, medyo sticky pa siya. At may mangbabash na naman na. How about need it? Kaya wag kayong mangbash kasi masama yan. And it's now forming and I think it's now slime. I think I should knead it now. Okay? Oh my god, it's so sticky. Oh my god. What I have done? Oh my god, my slime. Ay, hindi pa pala siya slime. Glue pa siya. Joke lang. Hindi na siya glue. And hindi na siya slime. Joke. Milk na siya. Joke lang. Ano na siya? Bagay. Siyempre, bagay naman ito. Oh my god. I'm gonna knead it para maging slime naman siya, diba? And yun. Ay. So, tumahimik ako. Comment down below kung gusto niyo mahaba ang video ko or maikli lang. Kasi nakaka-pa-epal din naman kasi kapag maikli ang video eh. Kapag mahaba pa lang video. Wala, ano nangyari sa kamay ko? Oh my god! Wala. Okay, ganun natin para mag-form. Nagpo-form na nga eh, ano ba? Ate! I need help. Ate! So, okay. Lalagyan ko pa ng oil kasi kulang pa. Talaga, sobrang kulang. At, damihin ko nga. Ano ba? Yan, dinamihan ko na naiinis ako. At na-overactivate naman. Ay, nako. Nag-overactivate siya. Is this fair? Oh my god. Ano ba nangyari? Ay, salamat. Guys, wait lang ha. Mag-sustain pa rin ito. Katulad yung dati. Ay. Lady size. Hala. Ow. 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 Okay. Tinatanggal ko na lang siya at magbabakla ako. I'll be right back. Here is the slime. All done. Here it is. It's very stretchy. And it's very pokey. I don't know if you can hear that. And yeah. I really love this slime. And it's a little pinkish because the activator is color pink. So it's a little pinkish. So yeah, I really love it. And yeah, and I clean myself now. And there's a little bit more messy in there. More slime. Messy slime. Okay. So here it is. The slime. And yeah, the whole slime. And this is the slime. And it's time to do ASMR. Let's get on to the ASMR. Woo! So here is the ASMR now. I don't know if you can hear it or not. So, this is not ASMR anymore. And I don't know if you can hear my ASMR kanina. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you want. And comment down below, what should I do next for the slime? Gumawa ng slime, gumawa ng fluffy slime without shaving cream. Wow, I know that. So, yeah. This is the final slime. The coolest slime you ever seen. Charot. So, yeah. Bye-bye na. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Comment down below. What should I do next? Comment your suggestion below. And don't forget to share this on Facebook. To share this to Facebook. Basta share. Ganun. So, bye-bye.